Hello friends, welcome to Ishwari Space. Today we are going to see a very simple but delicious recipe. This is a chicken soup recipe. So if you see the ingredients, I have taken chicken thighs, actually a boneless chicken thighs, and cut into thin strips, and 10 cups full of chicken stock, and then a couple of celery sticks and one big carrot and 5-6 cloves of garlic, salt, peppercorn, and a bunch of spring green onions. I love the green onion flavor, so I have taken a big bunch. You can reduce the quantity according to your taste, and then some cilantro leaves, then a teaspoonful of like butter. So you have to use a thick bottom pan, and then add the butter when it is like hot. So when the butter starts melting, add the chop the garlic into fine pieces, actually, because some people may not like the bite of the garlic. So saute the garlic first. It will infuse the oil, actually, so it will infuse that butter with that garlic flavoring. You will have the awesome flavoring in this soup. Then I have chopped the celery sticks, carrots, and the green onion, the onion portion of it, and then just saute it. So once it, and then add the salt to it, so it will bring out the moisture from the vegetables, and then let them like saute quickly, and don't let it steam, basically. So it should be like spread in the whole bottom of that pan. Then add the chicken and add enough salt to it. Note a point here. So my chicken stock is like of a low sodium, so I am adding like enough salt that will add taste to my soup. But you have to, like, if your chicken stock is going to be very high in sodium, then you have to like adjust your salt accordingly. So let it like get a nice coloring. Look at the bottom of the pan, that brown color is going to give an awesome flavor to your soup. So now add the chicken stock. So let it simmer for like 15-20 minutes. The soup is going to be very quick because your chicken will get cooked in 5 minutes, only that part, and then it has to simmer for 20 minutes, and then your soup is like ready. So it will be like a little watery kind of soup. If you want to make it thicken, or you want to make it to a full meal, then you can add even pasta. You can cook along with it, or like just put the pasta, like a cup full of pasta, and then cook it with the soup. It will become a chicken noodle soup. Or like you can as I was using like peppercorns, so instead of grinding the peppercorns, because I need a lot of them, so I pound them and then I added it. So because I want a little spicier soup, you can change amount of the pepper that you want to add for your soup. So let it simmer, and in order to make it thicken, you can even add like 2 spoons of corn flour, and then mix it in water without any lumps, and then add it to the soup. But for my recipe, I love this, actually. So I have taken 2 eggs and then beaten nicely, and then added into the hot liquid, and then just stir them. So it will make the soup like not so liquidy but the thick, and then it adds a very a typical type of flavoring to it. I love that flavor. So as I said, you can change the vegetables, like replace carrot with peas, or like add more French beans, or like you can change the vegetables. So I have taken one big bunch of green onions. I'm adding all the leaf portions towards the end of it, because all of my soup I needed it. So you can make it as an optional one, and then if somebody really likes it, when you are serving, you can just sprinkle on top of that. So I let it simmer, and then I served the soup. It was my meal of the day, actually. So I served it with some fried fish. It was a delicious combo. You may think that chicken soup with fish, but it was such a delicious meal. I hope you all like loved this recipe, and I hope you all will try and let me know how it tasted in your comment section. Thank you so much for watching my video. So I will see you guys again in one more very simple recipe. Thank you. Bye.